Kenya has received 600 million shillings in grant money from the European Union to aid in cushioning the most vulnerable as the country grapples with the biting economic meltdown occasioned by the COVID-19 pandemic. Labour CS Simon Chelugui received the grant that is planned to cushion at least 80,000 Kenyans who've lost their income due to the virus. Here now is Elfas Lagat with the details.
3 months since Kenya announced the first confirmed case of coronavirus in the country, government has effected sweeping measures to stem the spread and cushion thousands of Kenyans affected by the effects of the pandemic, including 1.7 million who have lost their jobs. A study by a consortium of NGOs estimates that around 80,000 living in urban informal settlements are severely vulnerable. The €5 million grant, an equivalent of 600 million shillings, is aimed at helping this group
of poor, chronically sick, poor widows and widowers, poor child-headed household orphans, poor elderly, poor persons with disabilities, new vulnerable people who have lost jobs. A number of our sectors have been affected.
To support the country by very practical measures. These measures are designed to address the socio-economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Among areas targeted to benefit from the European Union grant include the informal settlements of Kibera, Korogosho, Mathare, Soweto, Majengo and Lungalunga. A consortium of NGOs who applied for the grant will be tasked with facilitating cash transfers.
A key element of a project like this is to ensure as much as possible that we reduce the risk of exclusion and inclusion, making sure that those who receive the support are the most deserving. Accountability in the process, therefore, is of utmost importance.
The grant is intended to complement Ministry of Labour INTROO Jamii program, which already is covering 11,250 households.
Our president has been categorical and has pronounced himself on a number of occasions. We continue to engage with yourselves and even ourselves internally to come up with programs that will mitigate the challenges that we are facing. And every time we engage, there are emerging issues, and we have continued to respond.
Under the program, the beneficiaries would receive monthly stipends to cover rents, food supply, water and soap. Elfas Lagat, Citizen TV, Nairobi.